Question 2a, expand and simplify the set of double brackets here. So we have an m times an m giving us an m squared. We have an m times a plus 5 giving us a positive 5m. We have a minus 8 times an m giving us a minus 8m. And we have a minus 8 times a positive 5 which will give us a negative 40. What will happen after that is that these two m terms in the middle can be added together, so we have a plus 5 minus 8 giving us a negative 3m. We still have an m squared at the start and we have a minus 40 at the end. Nothing more can be simplified there. That is our final answer. Part B, factorize fully the following thing there. First thing we look for is a common factor. Both of these terms have multiples of 5 and both of them contain y's, meaning that we can get numbers out of here and we can also get y's. 5 and 20, the lowest common multiple is 5, and y and y squared, the lowest common multiple is y. So 5y will be our common denominator that we, not common denominator, lowest common multiple that we can take out of those two terms. If we do 5y divided by 5y, we'll be left with 1, and if we take positive 20y squared and divide by 5y, we will end up with plus 4y. Part C, simplify. P squared plus 3, all to the power of 0. Well, if we have anything to the power of 0, no matter what it is, the answer is 1. So 1 is our answer. Part D, solve the following equation. So first step to solving equations that will work every time is do something that will get rid of the fraction. So in this case, we have this over 2. We do not want to have that over 2. It makes things more complicated, so if we double both sides, that will make that fraction disappear. What will happen is we will be left with 9 minus x on the right hand side. If we double this, that 3 will turn into a 6, and that's the first step of solving equations done. Secondly, break out any brackets that you have. So 6 times both of these terms, 6 times 2x will give us 12x, 6 times minus 5 will give us minus 30. Next step, we don't want letters on different sides. We want to get both of these letters on the same side. There are more x's on the left-hand side, which means that's where we want them to be. So I want to make this minus x disappear from this side. I do that by adding x. I add x to both sides. That's going to make this 12x turn into a 13x. There's still a minus 30 here, and all we'll be left with on the right-hand side is 9. Next step then, we can get the letter on its own. So first of all, I'm going to add 30 to both sides to get rid of that minus 30. And then after that, I'm going to divide both sides by 13 in order to get x on its own. So middle step here will be 13x is 39. And then when we divide both sides by 13, x will be